Hey guys! Adding your Gamestop gift card to Apple Wallet is very easy, and today I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first, open the Gamestop app on your iPhone, and next, navigate to the section where your Gamestop gift card is displayed. If Apple Wallet is supported, you should see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap on it. Wait a few seconds while the process completes. You might see a confirmation checkmark or get a notification saying it was added successfully. Just a reminder, Apple Wallet integration may vary depending on your location or GameStop's current app version. If you don't see the Apple Wallet option in the app, what you're gonna do is open Safari, go to gamestop.com, sign into your account, navigate to your gift card section, and see if the Add to Apple Wallet option is available from there. And that's it. You've successfully added your GameStop gift card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching!